So today, Slim Tim is going to take off a rad support with another truck and a really big chain. Slim Tim, any comments?
I hope this works because I don't want to take this off with nuts and bolts and wrenches and shit. So, got this truck and I'm gonna do this right now. Watch your eyes, friend.
Oh my God, somebody's gonna get hurt. Well, you know. That was wicked. Oh my God.
Well, it worked out pretty good. It wrecked the driveway though.
Big peel marks. That's posy. Look though, the rad came out.